Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Back on the compact this morning. Unfortunately, on the way to work my turbo gave up, so I need to replace that. I do have a spare turbo. If you watch previous episodes, I originally took it off because I thought it was suffering with overboost issues and thought it was the turbo that was causing it. The turbo seems fine, so I'm going to stick that one back on for now. And then I really need to cure whatever this issue is I'm having with this engine, because potentially that's what's killed the turbo. So yeah, I really need to look into that. Yeah, let me get this old turbo off. We'll have a look at it and look at getting the new one on. So I'm just draining the oil. Right, so vacuum line off. So the turbo just mounted on now, one bolt up the top through the manifold, so I'll take it off. I'm going to pull the turbo through. Right, so turbo is off. Let me get it up onto a table. Right, so obviously not what you want. Absolutely broken. Right, so this is the new turbo, or replacement turbo. Slight play in this one, only slightly. And there's a slight bit of in and out play, only slightly as well. But yeah, it's going back on for now. And as I said, I'm going to have to cure the issue, because maybe overboost is still the issue, and that's what killed the turbo. But I don't know why I would have overboost. Oh yeah, and yeah, let me get this one back on. Yeah, so turbo is mounted back on. Just mounted back onto the manifold. Going to sort out everything underneath. Put the oil feed and oil return, and get the downpipe back on. Just connect up the vacuum lines again, and fingers crossed that'll be it sorted for now. Yeah, so turbo is back mounted onto the manifold. I just need to connect up the return and the feed, get the vacuum lines back on, get the downpipe on, get the intercooler pipework back on then. And I need to put some fresh oil in it. I drain the oil as well. I'll put a new filter in it as well. Yeah, so replacement turbo is on. Let's see what that one's like. I need to just put some fresh oil in it now and a new filter as well. I'll do that now, and then I'll test it out. Yeah, so that's the turbo changed anyway. Car's back running and driving. I'll take it easy over the next few days. I really need to find out what the issue is with the engine, because whatever's going on potentially is what killed that turbo, so I don't want to kill this one straight away. So yeah, so I'll take it easy just for a few days, and I'll do some more investigation. I'll have to test some more stuff and see if I can work out what the issue is. So it's doing my head in now. I just want to be able to drive it and not worry about it. And some days it's great, other days not so great. So, and obviously today not so great. I've got lots of other stuff I want to get on with as well, and this is getting in my way now as well. And as it's my daily at the moment, I need to keep it running because I'm driving it every day. But yeah, I'll take it easy for the next few days, just not to wreck it anymore. So next on the list is my green coupe. I'm going to be doing a few bits and pieces with that, so that'll be the next project. So once this stops doing my heading, I can get on with that as well. So yeah, other than that, once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff, and I'll see you next time.